Hey learners, I'm Sonia and I welcome you to the Brazen Academy powered by Brazen Group. Brazen is your trusted Salesforce consultant partner for over a decade across the Americas and Caribbean. Here we help you to master Salesforce through hands-on lessons, real-world projects, and certification-ready courses. Watch, learn, and then head over to the academy.brazilgroup.com to take your skills further. You can enroll in full courses, appear for exams, and earn Brazen certified badges to showcase on your LinkedIn and in your resume. Subscribe now and join thousands of learners transforming their careers with Brazen Academy, where learning meets certification. So in this video, we will discuss about the Revenue Cloud. In the Revenue Cloud, we will cover the topic products and price book in CPQ, in which we will do the product setup and get to know about the pricing, configuration, and subscription. Besides that, we will get to know about the standard versus custom price books. So first we have product in CPQ. What is the products in CPQs? So products are the items or services that you sell, used for pricing, quoting, and bundling. Must be activated and added to the price. So let's go to our org and see how we can, what is the product and how we can create products in our system. So here are all the products. We can create products clicking on the new button. For example, we will create a product named laptop, 15 inches. Here we have to give a laptop code and make it activate, and we have to decide the product family, hardware, software. And thus, that's how we can create product here. There are some fields that you need to know about, know in the product, which are we have first is pricing method. So we have four types of pricing method. How CPQ calculate prices? This is called pricing method. We have four types. First is list price, cost and markup, block pricing, and percent of total. So we can select here the pricing method, list, cost, block, and percent of total. So what it will do, if we select the list price, it will get the pricing from the price book entries. Uh, if we select the cost plus markup, it will select the field, it will select the value from the field cost and the field from the value markup value. And if we will select block pricing, it will define a range of the pricing in if for example, if quantity is 1 to 10, then pricing will be this, and if quantity is 10 to 20, then pricing would be different. So it will, we can set up in the block pricing percent. And last we have percent of total. It depends on the on the price. Uh, if price cost 100 and we will select 2% of the 2% of that product, then according to that product, it will decide the pricing of the product. So thus pricing method works. For now, we will select the list price. It will take the pricing from the price book. Next, we have configuration and subscription. We have configuration types. We have So in the configuration type, we have four types of configuration. First is none, second is allowed, then required, and disabled. Here I'll show you the field. This is the field in which we have none, required, allowed, disabled. So if the configuration is none, it means that it is not a part of bundle. If it is allowed, that it can be added or removed by user. If it is required, product is mandatory within the bundle. Like if user add that product and it is part of add that product and it is part of the bundle, then it will be required every time. And disable, cannot be added or removed by user. So this will be done by the configuration type. Next, we have subscription fields. Subscription fields, we have subscription pricing, subscription term, and billing frequency. First is the subscription pricing. It will tell us that if it is a subscription product or not. If the subscription pricing field have the value, any of the value, fixed price or percent of total, then it means that it is a subscription product. And as it says, fixed price will take the value from the from the price book, and percent of total depends on some product, on the product percentage of that product. And next we have a subscription term. We can select the term of the length of the subscription. It can be 12 months, 18 months, or 2 years, anything. Then we have subscription type, whether it can be renew or one time or renewable evergreen. We can select this here. And here we have billing frequency, how the customer want the bill to work monthly, quarterly, semi-annual, annually, or invoice plan. And these all things we can do in the product. Click on save button. So this is how we can create a product and the CPQ. Next, we have price book overview. So if now we have added our product, if we want to add the product in our quotation, we have to go to the cart and then to the edit lines. In the edit lines, we need to add the product. But if we don't have the price book value for the product, then product will not show on the configuration page. If you will search for the laptop 15 inches, then you will be not able to find that product. That one is different, but this is not showing here. So we have to add the price book entry to enable to show that here. Let's go to our product, and for that we will add price book entry. For price book, first we have to add the standard price book. For example, it will cost you 50,000. Click on save. Once the standard price book is added, we have to add another price book. Now, if we will go to the code, this product should be shown here. Now you can see that we have one more product. This is the product that we have added. Once we have added the price book entry, this product is showing on the configuration page. So this is how price book value matters. List of products with prices. It decide which products appear during the quotation, and a product must be linked via price book entry. A product must be linked with the price book entry. So what is the difference between a custom and a standard price book entry? So standard price book is a default and required base pricing, must contain active price entries. And custom pricing, it can be dependent on the region, customer, partner specific pricing, or some products can have different prices in different price books. So if you want to give, uh, you have to activate the multi-currency. Then after activating that, we can add multiple price book entries, multiple custom price book entries that will be shown according to the region or according to the customer. So this is the main difference between the standard and custom price book. So what is the summary what we have learned in this video today? First, we got to know what is the product. Product are items that you sell and that must be active and should have a price book. And then we have got to know what is the price book pricing method that calculate the price, and subscription field that controls recurring pricing and prorations. Then we have standard price book contains the default price. Then we have custom price book that allows different prices for different markets and customers. So this is all we have learned in this video. So great job completing this session. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon so you will never miss the next episode in the Salesforce learning journey. If you are watching this session on YouTube and want to go beyond YouTube, head over to the academy.presentgroup.com to take the full course, attempt the certification exam, and earn your present certified badge. Ready to shine on LinkedIn and in your resume. Keep learning, keep growing, and I'll see you in the next video right here at Present Academy where learning meets certification. Thank you, guys.